like green beans? Leilani got it. Leilani, no. This is for Bernie. Leo, do you need another green bean? Here we go, Leo. Sit. Good boy. Leilani, sit. No, sit. Puka is for Leilani. Okay, Puka gets a green bean. Good girl. Leilani ate your green bean, Puka. What do you have to say for yourself? Leilani ate the green bean. Did you eat your green bean yet, Bernie? You still working on it? Huh? Are you still working on your green bean, Bernie? Leilani got it again. What do you have to say for yourself, Bernie? Huh? Did you like green beans? You want another one? That's enough. Leilani, do you need another green bean? Sit. Sit. Wait. Wait. No. No. There you go. Is it delicious? Did you finish yours, Leo? Do you need another one? Oh. Leilani, get that. Leilani. You stole Leo's green bean. Leilani. There, Leo. You're going to be all full of green beans tonight. Puka, enough.